The question is, an object is placed at a distance of 40 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. If the object is displaced through a distance of 20 cm towards the mirror, the displacement of the image will be. The solution is. Now, in order to answer this question, we must first initially draw the diagram as shown here. We will be using the formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by u so as to determine v1. And then we will once again use this formula after the object is displaced by 20 centimeter towards the mirror to determine v2, and we will be taking the difference between them to obtain our answer. So now when we use this formula to determine v1, we use the values of f as 15 and u as 40, and substituting these values in the formula we get v1 equal to minus 24 centimeter. Now, in the second case, when the object is displaced by 20 centimeter towards the mirror, the new u will be minus 20. Now, once again, substituting the values in 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v2 plus 1 upon u2 formula, we get v2 as minus 60 centimeter. So now, in order to determine the image shifts, we will be subtracting both of them, that is 60 minus 24, giving us 36 centimeter and as option 4.